Welcome back, everyone. We're going to go ahead and do an iPhone 8 unboxing in 2022. You people are, I guess, love these videos, so I'm going to keep doing them with all the other iPhones I own. Now, this box, I love this design of this box because it came in space gray, which is not only one of my favorite colors, but this was an awesome designed box. I've not really seen too many space gray boxes since then. I know the 11 Pros had them, potentially the 12 Pros, and I think the 13 Pros too. This is a very, very good looking color. But another thing I want to point your attention to is the thickness of this box. Like I mentioned before, these boxes came in super thick sizes compared to the newest boxes that we have, which are much, much thinner. This is the 13, and you can see this thing was just like 3 times the size, basically because it came with, 3 times the accessories. Now on the back, we had our simple like storage model. I did have a 64 gig model, nothing else on the other side except iPhone. Now going through and actually unboxing the top portion, we can go ahead and see that within it, we didn't really have anything at the top right here. We just had the box thing. So I'm going to put this right here. Now I did package this up to the best of my ability. I totally butchered it, but usually up top we had our, little instructions thing. I put this in the other way. But you can see instructions. Usually we would have Apple stickers, but it doesn't really look like mine had stickers right here. Then we had the iPhone itself. Now this specific iPhone I have, I think is dead. I don't even think it turns on anymore. But this is the one I use for a ton of different videos, and this is a very, very good looking color as well. A lot of scratches and everything on it. But the iPhone 8 was a very good looking device for the most part. Inside of the box, we did have a lot of different accessories. So we had the charging cable brick that we don't even have anymore, which is annoying. So we had the charging brick. We also had Earpods, which this blows my mind. You can buy these separately, I think for like 20 bucks or something. But the fact that these came within the box is super crazy to me. And it's one of the coolest things about having even like an iPhone 8 box laying around, the fact that we had that type of capability. Now we did have the charging cable as well. This is one I keep using, and it's totally butchered by now. But this was another really cool touch. Now I think this is USB Type-C, so this isn't even, oh, it's USB Type-A. So this was another really cool, thing that they add. They still have that, but they don't have these two accessories anymore, which is so crazy. So when I go ahead and kind of compile everything and just kind of think about my thoughts with this type of iPhone, I'm actually pretty surprised how much, Apple's kind of changed since owning and since, releasing the iPhone 8. This phone came out in 2017, but it wasn't until 3 years later that they really started removing some of these accessories within the box. So that was something that really threw me off. When they removed the Earpods and the charging brick, that was honestly pretty surprising. Had they given us USB Type-A in the beginning for these new boxes, that would make a little bit more sense. But a lot of accessories that we had and the charging brick that we had weren't really on USB Type-C, they were on USB Type-A. So that kind of threw things off too. But the iPhone 8 I think was a good phone. It was a great phone. I don't want to say it like it's a bad phone. It was a good phone. It just kind of really got overshadowed by the iPhone 10. That was a substantially better phone, and that's held up much better than this thing. But this still has a pretty relevant chipset, and the design of this phone is still pretty relevant too because the iPhone SE3 that came out is still using the same design of this phone. So that kind of covers it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.